Okay, hello everyone. My name is Feki and my number study is 220-553-5531007. In this video, I want to explain the Manufacturing, Engineering and Technology book chapter 10. They have title Fundamentals of Metal Casting. So, this book is created by Seropekal Pakjian and Stephen R. Smith. Let's go. The first one is introduction. The introduction said is casting is a manufacturing process where molten metal is poured into a mold, allowed to solidify and then remove it. So the success of casting depends on metal flow, solidification, behavior, cooling, and the type of mold used. Good metallurgy and proper mold design are essential for production high quality cast press. Next, 10.2 Solidification of metal. Solidification affects grain structure, chemical component, and mechanical properties of casting. It depends of the type of metal. Thermal properties, cooling rate, and mold geometry is very important of these pure metals. 10.2.1. Okay, next is you can see on the figure 10.1. The figure 10.1 is pure metal solidify at the consistent temperature, forming a strain freezing plateau near mold walls. Cooling is repeated, forming fine grains followed by columnar grains growing inward. Surcage during cooling may cause crack of properties. Okay. This is the figure 10.2 show you about the figures show about temperature versus time and density change duration solidification of pure metals. The freezing temperature remaining consistent until the metal fully solidifies. Yeah. Okay, next is alloy. Here we see the typical grain structure in casting. Repeat cooling forms a fine chill zone at the mold wall, followed by columnar grain, and finally coarse exhausted grain toward the center. You can see on the figure 10.3 right here. We have columnar zone and chill zone. Okay, next is the figure show unclined pure metal alloy solidify through liquids or solidus range, forming massy zones. Dendrites grow in the zone and may cause segregation and microscopic. Okay, the figure 10.5 is show you about dendrites growth in cast iron and steel under different mold materials. Chilled molds lead to faster solidification and shorter massy zones. Okay, next we have steel alloy right here. So the figure 10.6 show you about dendrite morphology depends on cooling rate. Faster cooling products finer dendrite structure, improving strength. So the morphology looks how cooling product finer is make make improving the strength of this material alloy. Next, faster cooling gives small grain higher strength and less properties. Porosity segregation can occur at macro or micro scales, affecting part quality. Inclusion help from exhausted grain structure with better properties. Okay, next, fluid flow. The fluid flow properties grain design and square molten metal flows smoothly into the mold cavity. The system includes the pure runners, gate, and racers to fit metal during shrink. Bad flow can cause turbulence, gas entrapment, and defects. Okay, this is fluid flow. How to relate the high pressure, velocity, and molten metal. And then this is how to account for energy loss. This one is how to state the flow rate, and when cross selection decreases, velocity increases. And the last one is how to calculate the ideal taper of spur, the prevent appreciation air bagging socket into the molten metal. So next. Okay, next is fluidity is the ability of molten metal to fill the mold before solidification. Higher fluidity is needed for thin or complex geometry. It is influenced by viscosity, surface tension, mold design, and superheat pouring speed. Okay, heat transfer. The heat transfer in figure 10.10 is show about control freezing rate and microstructure, solidification, skin from the mold wall, and thickness with time. Faster cooling increases the strength of the casting. Next. Okay, still heat transfer. Thickness wall take longer to solidify. The table compress synchrone among the various metal. Synchrone must be controlled to avoid cracking. Next. Defect may occur due to synchrone, gas, mold design, and wrong prone condition. Hot tears are crack caused when the part cannot freely shaking during a solidification. You can see on the figure 10.12. Next is defect. Here are common casting defects such as misers, cold shot, and bleeders suffers fault. Many can be prevented by improving mold design and pouring technique. Okay, porosity result from trapped gas or synchrase between dendrites. It's reduce strength and pressure tightness. Solution include using risers, chills, and controlling temperature grains. Okay, gas property graph is show you gas solubility. decreases as metal solidifies. If gas cannot escape, they become trapped, cause porosity. Okay, example casting of aluminum piston. Right here, aluminum piston are cast using high silicon alloys for strength and heat conduction. Fast cooling makes directional solidification important to avoid defects. Computer simulation improve mold design and reduce scrap rate. Okay, you can see the figure 10.16. The figure 10.16 is show you here we see the piston and the cast research, and after machining, good casting reduce the machining allowance needed. So this is the piston hour needed in industrial. You can see on the figure 10.17. Simulation help identify trapped are and improper flower arrest. Adding fans improves filling and reduces porosity defects. So this is you can see inside the part of the piston right here. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much for watching. See you.